If CapCut is refusing to sign in, don't worry, this is usually caused by a simple system setting, a login method issue, or a network conflict. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll start with the most important solution first, which is syncing your system time. Then I'll show you the official QR code workaround, how to reset your network environment. And finally, how to clear CapCut's cache so you can try signing in again cleanly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to your Windows settings and open Time and Language, then click Date and Time. Here, check your clock settings carefully because even a small mismatch can cause login token errors in CapCut. Turn set time automatically off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on again. After that, click Sync Now so Windows can refresh the clock with the correct time from the server. This step is critical because if your system time is wrong, CapCut may reject the sign-in request instantly, even if your email and password are correct. Once that is done, close CapCut completely and reopen it before trying again. If you still can't sign in, move on to the next method, which is the official QR code workaround. This is especially useful if the email and password fields are not responding properly on the PC app. To do this, first open CapCut on your phone and make sure you are already logged in there. Then, on your computer, click Sign In inside CapCut and look for the CR code icon in the top corner of the login box. Click that icon to display the CR code on your screen. Now, open the scanner inside the CapCut mobile app itself and scan the code from your PC. Make sure you use the scanner inside the app, not your regular phone camera, because that is the official method that connects the mobile account bridge properly. After scanning, follow the prompts on your phone to approve the login. In many cases, this bypasses the broken desktop sign-in screen completely and gets you back into your account right away. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your network environment. CapCut can sometimes block sign-ins if it detects a VPN, proxy, or unusual network routing. So if you have any active VPN turned on, disable it immediately and try again. If you are using a proxy server or any network filtering tool, switch it off as well. In some cases, changing to a different stable network can help too, especially if your current connection is triggering security flags. Once your network is clean, restart CapCut and test the login again. If you are still stuck, the final step is to clear the official CapCut cache. Open CapCut on your PC, click the gear icon for settings, and look for the Clear Cache option. Clear the cache completely, then fully close the application, not just minimize it and reopen it from scratch. This can remove corrupted temporary login data that may be preventing the app from authenticating properly. After restarting, try signing in one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem, especially the system time sync and the SAR code login method. So if your CapCut can't sign in, follow these steps in order: sync your clock, use the CR code workaround, disable VPN or proxy tools, clear the cache, and then restart the app. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.